So I'll be showing you how to change your TikTok profile picture. So what you need to do first is launch TikTok. Just open the TikTok app either on your Android phone or on your iPhone, and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and that takes you to your profile page. And then you want to tap on edit profile. Then that takes you to your profile editor. From here, you can now tap on the little camera on your profile picture, this one right here. So just tap on that, and then it gives you the option to edit profile photo. So if you want to add a photo, you can tap on change photo. If you want to have a video, you can choose change video. So let's change the profile photo, and you have when you tap on that, you have three options. You have take photo, you have upload photo. Take photo basically launches your camera, and you can take a photo right now to use as your profile picture. And then upload will go into your gallery, so you can select a photo from your gallery. And then view photo is just basically looking at the current photo of your profile pic. Now let's select upload photo, and then that takes us to the gallery. Now in the gallery, we can scroll and find a photo, reposition the photo the way you want. You can resize it, you can make it bigger if you want to, and then it asks, do you want to post this photo? So you want to uncheck that, because if you leave it checked, it's going to also post the photo on your TikTok. So you want to uncheck that and then tap on save. That's going to be uploaded and saved. But since I have a video, let's go ahead and remove the video. So I'll tap on the profile pic again, go to change video, and then remove the video so you can clearly see my current profile picture. So there you go. So we have a profile picture on WhatsApp. Okay, that's our original photo, and there it is as our profile picture. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.